Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Notion. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're tracking expenses, managing project budgets, or simply need to see the total of any numeric data in your database at a glance. First, head over to your Notion workspace and open the page that contains the table or database you're working with. Once you're there, click directly on the table or database to open it fully on the page. This ensures you have complete access to all the column editing and calculation features you'll need. Now, before you can sum a column, you need to make sure it's set up correctly. Click on the header of the column you want to sum, then select Edit Property. In the drop-down menu labeled Type, choose Number. This step is crucial because Notion only allows calculations on columns with numeric property types. If your column is set to text or another format, the calculation options simply won't appear. With your column properly configured as a number type, click on the column header once more. This time, look for the option labeled Calculate and click on it. You'll see a menu appear with several calculation choices. From here, select More Options to expand the full list of available calculations. In the expanded menu, you'll find various calculation types like average, median, and range. For our purposes, go ahead and select Sum. This tells Notion to add up all the numeric values in that column automatically. Once you've selected Sum, take a look at the bottom of your column. You'll now see the total sum displayed right there, giving you an instant view of the combined value of all entries in that column. This sum updates automatically whenever you add, remove, or edit values in the column, making it a dynamic and reliable way to track totals. This method works seamlessly on desktop and is perfect for beginners who are just getting familiar with Notion's database features. Just remember, the key is ensuring your column type is set to number before attempting any calculations. Without that setting, the calculate options won't be available. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.